back, y'all. So today I'm going to be doing another hair review for you guys. Excuse the shirt. On my last video I did mention that I'm going to be doing more than one wig review for you guys. So this is wig number 2 that I got from Wish. Yes, Wish, on the low. So if y'all sleeping on Wish, then y'all shouldn't sleep on it no more. So the only bad thing about Wish is that they take a long time for shipping, and if you're going to pay for expedited shipping, it's going to cost a lot of money. So patience is the virtue. So anyways, without further ado, let's get into this hair video. So this is a long Brazilian wig, supposed to be human hair, lace front. This is what it looked like straight out the pack. Comes with the old lady, lunch lady cap. Okay, got plastic on the inside. This one is actually lace front. Silk lace, they said. Ooh, this is really good quality. So this is supposed to be human hair. Comb, lace front, frontal, comb. So it has 3 combs, adjustable straps. I'm just gonna place the straps on a section. It looks like a pretty decent sized cap. It don't stink. Okay, so let's do this. Let me just brush it out a little bit before I try it on. Get some tangles out. Ooh, it's so, look at that. Pretty. I'm not even gonna cut the lace because I'm giving this wig away. So I'm just gonna show y'all. Maybe if I just tuck it under so you can kind of see what it looks like. Obviously with a lace front you can trim it, trim the edges off, make some baby hair, okay? You can barely see that. For all you lace front pluckers, go ahead and pluck a little bit of it to make the hairline look more natural. So this is, I think I ordered a 28 inch. I will have all the details about this wig in the description box for you. Alright, so let me show y'all. I look more Latina with my hair like this. Let's see. That's fine. Look at that bounce. Alright, so let me give y'all my review. It's very soft. I think you will have some shedding, obviously, because it's a wig. I believe that every wig has shedding. It's very dark. I believe I ordered a 1B. This looks like a 1 to me. But that don't matter. I mean, it's very pretty. Very long. Very natural looking. It's not very fibery like this other one. The curls are pretty. So look, I'm not gonna mess with it. So if y'all want this wig, follow the rules in the description box. I'm giving it away. You'll be able to tweak and mess with it and personalize it to your own liking. I'm just here to bring y'all the hair review. Want more videos like this and you're interested in winning a wig, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and click that bell for notifications on when I post, because you'll be notified when I post the next wig review and you could possibly win that wig too. So this is a brand new wig straight out the pack. It did not come with a cap, so you will not be receiving a cap if you win this wig. I am giving away whatever came with it. So that is just the wig in this case. It's very long, very soft. It doesn't stink. Alright, y'all, if y'all like this video, go ahead and click that like button. And I hope to catch y'all next time. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications on when I post. Follow the rules in the description box. And hopefully you will win this wig. Good luck to you. And the winner will be announced on Instagram. So follow the rules to ensure that you will not miss out on your chance to win. If you do not claim your prize within 24 hours of the winner being announced, then it will go to the next randomly selected winner. Alright, y'all. I'll catch y'all later.